Okay, here we've got a song I made a couple months ago, maybe a year ago, I don't remember, but what we're doing is using a fruity filter. Basically, it's a filter that filters the sound through a certain number of equalizers and such, which can be edited, of course, through your FX. Now, also on here, I've got a master limiter and a master compressor. Also different, both different effects. What a compressor does is basically allows you to compress all of the sounds where you put it, depending. Usually the ones on this channel, but I have it on the master, which is basically every sound that you have on your playlist. And from here you can control things like your threshold, your ratio, your gain, your type, your release, and your attack. And depending on the compressor type you have, probably a lot more than that. But it makes a big difference in your sound quality. see the fruity filter right here starts strong, goes low, and then comes back on. You can hear it affecting all of those samples right here, and then you can tell the difference. See how you could hear it build back up? And that's how you use the fruity filter.